Hello friends, today we are discussing some important questions from English literature which are useful for competitive exams. So the first question is The Darder. It was written by whom? It was written by Sir Thomas Malory. It is written by Sir Thomas Malory. Next famous work, Utopia, was written by Sir Thomas More. Utopia was written by Sir Thomas More. Next question, A Religion, Medici and Urn Burial was written by Sir Thomas Browne. Sir Thomas Browne. Justice Shallow is a fictional character by Shakespeare who is a caricature of a local landowner with whom Shakespeare is supposed to have conflicts. Who was he? Sir Thomas Lucy. Sir Thomas Lucy. Who translated Plutarch's Lives? It was a source for Shakespeare's plays. It was translated into English by whom? Or who translated Plutarch's Lives? It is Sir Thomas North. Next, this Prothalamion and Epithalamion was written by Edmund Spenser. Prothalamion was written by Edmund Spenser and Epithalamion is also written by, it's a two famous poems written by Edmund Spenser. So Prothalamion celebrates the double marriage of Lady Catherine and Lady Elizabeth. This poem discusses or celebrates the double marriage of Lady Catherine and Lady Elizabeth. Next question, famous lines. The famous lines, Sweet Thames, run softly till I end my song. These famous lines are taken from which poem? It's taken from Prothalamion. And you know, these lines, Eliot has used the above lines in which poem? He has used it in this line in his famous work Wasteland, which is written in 1922, and this Wasteland was dedicated to Ezra Pound, and all of you know about that. Northanger Abbey is a satire on Gothic novel. It's a satire on Gothic novel. Next question, Table Talk is a collection of essays by whom? Table Talk. Table Talk is a collection of essays written by William Hazlitt. Next question, The Spirit of the Age was written by William Hazlitt. The Spirit of the Age was written by William Hazlitt. Then The Spirit of Laws was an important or a famous work by Montesquieu. Spirit of Laws by Montesquieu. Spirit of Age was written by William Hazlitt. The Comedy of Humours was popularized by whom? Ben Jonson. The Comedy of Humours, Ben Jonson. Strangers and Brothers is a series of novels written by C.P. Snow. And who is the narrator of Strangers and Brothers? It is Lewis Eliot. Lewis Eliot. The next question, Mysteries of Udolpho was written by whom? Anne Radcliffe. Mysteries of Udolpho was written by Anne Radcliffe. Who wrote Song to the Men of England? It is written by P.B. Shelley. It's written by P.B. Shelley. Song to the Men of England. Next famous work, Death of a Naturalist, is a 1966 collection of poems and it is written by Seamus Heaney. Seamus Heaney wrote this Death of a Naturalist. The Bog poems are also written by him. The famous Bog poems are also written by Seamus Heaney. He received a Nobel Prize in the year 1995. 1995 he got Nobel Prize for Literature. Who introduced sprung rhythm in English literature? It's G.M. Hopkins. Sprung rhythm in English literature was introduced by G.M. Hopkins. Inscape and instress are also associated with G.M. Hopkins. Inscape and instress are associated with whom? G.M. Hopkins. Who published his poems after his death? Robert Bridges. Robert Bridges published his works posthumously. And you know, Robert Bridges was a poet laureate from 1930 to 1930. Robert Bridges, he edited or he published, he collected the works and he published his works after his death. Okay, thank you. Hope you all enjoyed these questions.